Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create these smooth slow-mo videos in CapCut PC. So for instance, I am going to select the video to the track and I'm going to split the clip. So in this right in this part until this part, select middle clip. I'm going to make it smooth slow-mo. Go to speed and you can select the normal and you can swipe to the left for slower. Right, going to select the 0.5 and turn on the smooth slow-mo option right here. Select the option and I'm going to optical cloud to lower to get the better quality. Right, so click and just processing. It is take a long time according to the duration of the video. Alright, yeah, I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Alright, so this is the final result you have on your video. So smooth. Yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.